Building a stronger you post-breakup. Breakups can be difficult to process and move on from. It can be hard to figure out how to start rebuilding yourself and start looking forward to the future. Here are some tips to help you move forward after a breakup. Accept the breakup and take responsibility for it. It is important to acknowledge that the relationship is over and accept that it is no longer part of your life. Taking responsibility for the breakup can help you to move on and learn from it. Allow yourself to feel your emotions. It is natural to feel sadness, anger, and grief after a breakup. Acknowledge these feelings and take time to process them. It is also important to remember that these emotions will pass and you will be able to move on. Surround yourself with positive people. Having a strong support system of friends and family can help you to move on from a breakup. They can provide you with the emotional support you need to get through this difficult time. Engage in activities that make you feel good. Doing things that make you happy can help to take your mind off of the breakup. Activities such as exercise, reading, and spending time with friends can help to boost your mood and help you to focus on the future. Focus on yourself and your own goals. Take this time to focus on yourself and what you want out of life. Set goals for yourself and work towards achieving them. This can help to give you a sense of purpose and help you to move on from the breakup. Take time to reflect on the experience. Reflecting on the relationship can help you to understand why it ended and what you can learn from it. This can help you to move on and be better prepared for future relationships. Be patient with yourself. It is important to remember that healing takes time and it is okay to take your time. Allow yourself to take the time you need to move on from the breakup and rebuild yourself.